Hello. Hello. The main goal of today is to take this setup that I have right here, camera on a tripod, window blasting me in the face, and move it to here, minus the window. I'm hoping to use a little bit of the design skills that I learned in college as well as my 3D printer to get this done. I'm going to want to mount it above my monitor right about here on the wall. I have paint and putty so I can patch up any holes that I put in it. So I'm going to want the mount to look something... Well, I'm going to want the mount to be articulating, so the panel, I'll just model it off of like a wall-mounted articulating TV mount. And I'll put front view, side view, and they're all connected. And then to put a bolt through here, you can't see that at all. Okay, that's a little better. Arm to come down, and then this is going to be where I mount it to the camera. And the camera mount, I want it to use the existing Canon mount that has a locking pin on it, and it has quite a small dovetail here. And this is going to need to be, and have another, this, and then the camera itself will sit here and do camera stuff. I don't know if you can see that. God, I'm a bad artist. So I'm terrible at drawing, but I'm just gonna make it in CAD and I'll show it to you in 3D. Before I get too deep into CAD, and while I still have some sunlight, there's a few things that I know I'm gonna need for sure. If I'm gonna have an arm and another arm that are gonna hinge, I need the... So this is what I want. I want it to stick on the wall on this side, and then this be able to swivel here, and this top be able to swivel, and then right here is where I'm gonna... It's where I'm gonna stick this mount, what the camera sticks onto. So I'm also gonna need a quarter 20 bolt for that. Something like that. What I need from the hardware store is bolts that are going to replace the pin and the drill bit. So let's go. Do you have any bolts by any chance?
Yes, aisle 13.
Aisle 13? Thank you. Got it. That lady did not like that I had a camera. Okay, I'm back. It's like 1,000 degrees outside. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into CAD and make the device, and I'll go over it afterwards. Alright, I got it done. Everything is modeled up, and I got the hardware. The next thing to do is send it to the 3D printer, and probably wait about 9 hours for that to print out, which is gonna suck. Look at that. Alright. Okay, so today is tomorrow since the print took literally 9 hours to do. It finished at about 4:30 this morning, so let's go check them out. Oh, dude. Woo. I got him. No. It doesn't fit. It's just small. Damn it. Oh. But I think I can fix it. But real quick, look at how good these came out. Look at this. Huh? Huh? What's great is there's just enough bow in them that the bolt is gonna clamp it together, so that'll hold it in place. I just gotta fix this. File in the drill. Oh. Alright, a little bit of an assembly. I've been using this drill bit just to knock out where the bridges were in these pieces. Gotta get the hardware. Look at that. Wing nut with just enough room to fit. Oh, that's good. Friction. Cool. Here, where do I want something? Cool. Yes. Well, look at that. It actually came together. Wow. Oh, check it out, dude. So I got the thing to work and it holds up, it supports it. The only issue that I have is finding a stud. Now I know based on where the drywall screws are that there's a stud that runs here and the center of my computer is here. So there's a little bit of a difference. I don't want this thing to fall apart, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the stud as opposed to just putting it in the center with drywall screws. I hope future me is okay with that. So let's just screw into the wall and get this thing mounted. I'm sorry, you probably can't see anything. I'm leaving the tape on there. I'll rip off what I can afterwards, just so it doesn't mark up the wall as much under the actual plastic. Looks good enough to me. Adjustable. All right, here we go. Here. Oh, dude, I got it. Well, dang it, now you can see how dirty my room is. Okay, I'm gonna call that mission accomplished. Thanks for watching this video, and tune in next time where maybe I make something else or see if my camera breaks and update with the video on my iPhone. So I appreciate you watching, and I'm gonna eat some food because I have yet to eat after work. Goodbye.